Hey, what's going on? It's Carlos St. Just, licensed acupuncturist, holistic healthcare provider. You know what? You're gonna make a smoothie with me today. And I'm gonna add a couple of ingredients. Let's see, we have our banana here, right? I usually use about a banana and a half, right? Keep those guns strong, right? And you know what? We're gonna use 2 bananas. I'm gonna use 2 bananas. I have some organic kale. Here. And let's see. I'm gonna use some peanut butter, right, for the protein. I have things are wrong. I have some organic pea protein, right, from Trader Joe's. What else do we have here? We're gonna add, now this is for people who need a little bit more energy or a little bit more heat in the system. If you tend to run on the hot side, bloody noses a lot, heat, hot flashes, sweating all the time, you may not want to add these spices. This is going to be cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and ginger, right? And then also a little dash of turmeric for the anti-inflammatory aspect. So, you know, we mix all of this stuff up, and let's see. So you can see me here. Sorry, I'm trying to get everything set up. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we add our banana. 1. And as you can see, I got a cool Star Wars shirt on, which I got at Disneyland. Look at this. Right, it wasn't me. Okay, so we got our bananas. Adjust the camera here. Okay, we have our bananas. Let's add some cut up mango. Alright. Frozen mango from Trader Joe's. And once again, I love Trader Joe's for especially for frozen stuff. We're gonna add some pineapple. Right, pineapples are great. This is frozen pineapple. Bought one maybe about a week or 2 ago, and froze it, cut it up, froze it, sliced it. Blueberries, some raspberries, and some blackberries here. Again, you know, you can. It doesn't matter where you get your berries, Trader Joe's, Sprouts, Whole Foods. Get them organic. That's the best. That's ideal. But if you can't, then it's okay. Don't avoid them. Even myself, I used to avoid them sometimes because I was like, okay, it's not organic. No, don't do that. Okay. Let's see. Smoothie. You know, I gotta go pick up my daughter. You need something fast on the go. We got our we have our almond milk. We have peanut butter. Right, which is the serving size. So you're getting about 23% of your daily fat, right, and 8 grams of protein here. Right, we're gonna add a little bit of almond milk. Right, before we add the almond milk, let's add the spices, right, so everything can sink down. Oh, wait. Sorry. Let's add some kale. Okay, once again, adding some organic kale. I like using kale or spinach. Kale or spinach. Either one works well. You know, so we're just adding, keeping it healthy, right? As far as, I say about a handful to even 2 handfuls of kale, if you can handle it. And then, I'm only going to do a scoop of the pea protein. So I'm going to put that over here, put that underneath the kale there. So for our spices, I'm just gonna add some cayenne pepper, just even half a quarter of a teaspoon, maybe less, just enough to because you don't want to overpower it, you don't want to overdo it. So we got our kale, our bananas, our mango, our pineapple, our peanut butter, our pea protein, almond milk, right? Our spices, right? The spices are there to help stimulate the circulation, reduce some of the anti-inflammatory aspects that are going on, right? And let's mix it up. How much water do I like to use? You know what? I like to go about halfway. Let's sometimes you may have to add more water as you're adjusting, right? I like it, especially here. Right, because there's a lot of cold elements in here. That's another aspect. Reason why we add some of the warmer spices, right? In traditional Chinese medicine, we're trying to balance things out. So we add the warmer spices because there's a lot of cold elements in here. A lot of the pineapple and the mango. So if you use a lot of frozen fruits, it's a good idea to add some of these warmer spices and balance things out. Looking good, looking good. All right, let's do it. So sometimes if it's too chunky, you may want to add a little bit, maybe a quarter of a banana or something like that. If it's too, you taste too much of the kale, I'm actually going to strain this through the strainer. If I'm not using blackberries, then I don't use the strainer here. Strain, strain, strain is the name of the game. So, as I'm doing this, I'm a big fan of smoothies. Something that I'm implementing more in my daily routine. Right? It's not a diet. Smoothies is not a diet. The smoothie is a lifestyle, right? Lifestyle change. So, bon appetit. Not bad. This is Sifu Carlos St. Jess, licensed acupuncturist, martial arts instructor,